If you have looking for a staple 3D printer without almost mistake and problems, definitely you have to use Shape 3D printer. Our boss, he was the first one who tested the 3D printer. He told us, look at this printer. So you have to switch the brand for Shape, and you start with all the resin.
What impressed you or your boss?
Actually, yeah, he was really surprised. And the fitting for the dies, the result for the model, it was amazing, especially with the big platform. I can say technical side that we almost found really a big staple printer. With Edgemax, mostly you can print more than 15 models in one time. We love it, and the fast model.
It'll save you lots of time.
Exactly, definitely. So this is a really amazing feedback from so many good labs, starting with printing especially with the winter season. No issues, the light source is very high, a staple with 3D printer. And also we have another side for chair side. It is a very staple 3D printer, mini.
Yes, and beautiful as well.
Exactly.
Fashion design.
Definitely. So we can use the mini platform and the tray, and this is optional for the printer. So it is saving that time, and you can print a biomedical material without any loose material. If you have looking for a staple 3D printer without almost mistake and problems, definitely you have to use Shape 3D printer. You can find different or three or maybe four different size of platform. So many options and definitely compatible price.